Dulur, apa kabar? I'm in front of the Macquarie Center, Shopping Mall, and I will share with you from here how to get Valentine Sports Park in Glenwood. And if you want to know, don't go where. Stay tuned, you will find out. Bye bye. That's the Macquarie Center Shopping Mall, and I'm currently in front of the Macquarie Center and at the bus stop, and I've been waiting for the bus. They have been using the solar panel for the electricity power, and this is the bus schedule from this bus station. 611 will come in 4 minutes. So this is the bus number 611, goes to Glenwood. I'm inside the bus here. So this bus will go to M2. It's a toll. It's a M-way or tollway, and you have to get off from M2 at Oaks Road. Inside the 607X from M2 Oaks Road to Valentine Sports Park, and this is still M2. Now we are exit from the M2 and we are going to the T-way, bus T-way. Shukriya. And you have to get off at Murans T-way, and this is 607. And this is Valentine Sports Park. It's too dark, you cannot see. So this is Valentine's Park. Valentine's Sports Park. This is end of my journey. If you find any useful information, you can press like that button, and also you can subscribe so you will not miss your next adventure experience. And also you are pleased to share with your family and friends. Okay, see you next time, and bye bye.